Students, today I am coming with another topic, three-dimensional representation of organic molecules. There are different kinds of three-dimensional representation of molecules. They are Wedge formula, Fischer projection formula, Sohor's formula, Newman's projection formula. They are used to represent 3D structure. First of all, we are checking what is Wedge formula. This is the Wedge representation of a molecule in a tetrahedral structure. You check three different kinds of bonds are here. First of all, the symbol line, that is, this is the asymmetric central carbon atom. Here, the asymmetric central carbon atom is here. Then, these two symbol lines represent the bond in the plane of the paper. This bond, this bond, this symbol line represent the bond in the plane of the paper. Then you look at this darkened line A, C to A. This darkened line, this solid wedge represent the bond coming out of the plane. The bond represent the line represent the bond coming out of the plane. Then you look at this dotted line from this carbon atom to this atom D. This broken wedge represent the bond behind the plane of the paper. So once again I am repeating, in wedge formula there are three different kinds of bonds are there. The first type is the symbol line represent the bond in the plane of the paper. Then the darkened line represent the bond coming out of the plane, and this dotted line represent the bond behind the plane of the paper. So when I am saying this, you think about the 3D structure of a molecule. That means the molecule is situating in the atmosphere. Then Fischer projection formula. In this method, the asymmetric carbon atom is at the center with the bonds attached to this by crossed horizontal and vertical lines. You look at this. This is the Fischer projection formula. This is the asymmetric central carbon atom. So in Fischer projection formula, there are two kinds of lines, the horizontal lines and vertical lines. So in this method, at the central carbon atom, the bonds are crossed horizontal and vertical lines. Then what is horizontal line represent? What is vertical line represent? The horizontal line or bonds represent the groups which are oriented towards us. This horizontal line AB represent the groups which are oriented towards us. And the vertical bonds represent the groups which are away from us. These vertical lines represent the bonds away from us. Then Fischer conversion of this Fischer to Wedge formula. That is a simple one. So you look at this, the vertical lines DC. It is remaining in the same position with the dotted lines, and the horizontal line we represent in the Wedge formula as a thicker line, that is AB. Then conversion of Wedge formula of substituted methane into Fischer projection. So this is the substituted methane. This is the center asymmetric carbon atom. There are three kinds of bonds. This is the symbol line represent in the plane of the paper. Then the thickened lines, dark thickened line represent the groups which are pointed towards us, and this dotted line represent the bonds which are pointed away from us. So this Wedge formula, look at this Wedge formula. In order to convert it into Wedge formula, this symbol line CH3 symbol lines represent symbol line CH3 and dotted line H comes in the vertical position CH3H and C6H5 with the darkened lines that will comes in the horizontal position, that is this are pointed towards us and this pointed away from us. Then it is an easy one, to convert this Wedge formula to Fischer projection formula. That is, in Fischer projection formula only two types of bonds are there. One is horizontal bond, another is vertical bond. So the horizontal bonds are pointed towards us and vertical bond pointed away from us. So these dotted lines represent the bonds away from us. So it will comes in the vertical lines, that is CH3 and H. And the horizontal line means the thicket bond comes in the horizontal line in the Fischer projection formula. So this C6H5OH comes in the horizontal position. That is, it will pointed away. It will pointed towards us and this vertical line pointed away from us. That's all.